Hello, and welcome to the Save It for Parts channel. Today I'm testing out one of my projects, my homemade miniature airboat. I built this by attaching a powered paraglider engine to a small duck boat. It works fairly well on water, but I haven't had it out for a few years, and I've been tuning it up and rebuilding it recently. Since I live in Minnesota and it's currently winter, I don't have a lot of open water to run it on. However, we do have some nice frozen lakes, so I'm going to see how well this does on ice and snow. If you'd like to see more of the build process for this project, check out some of my other videos. This video is just going to be me driving this thing around on the local lake. Let's see how it goes. Alright, so that mostly worked. A few parts did vibrate off, and I'm still terrified to make a turn at full speed on the snow, because when I tried that on the water, it just spun out like a stone skipping. And I think if that happened on the snow, I'd end up catching a deep spot on the edge of the boat, and I could probably roll it. Spring is rapidly approaching, so we're going to be losing our ice and getting more and more open water. So maybe we can see how this does transitioning between ice and water. And if you want to see the next installment when we get this out somewhere else, go ahead and click on that subscribe button. And then once things really thaw out, maybe we can take this out on the Mississippi River or out somewhere on a larger lake and play around with it some more. Until then, thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.